Welcome back to another video, the second video actually of the YouTube channel. What actually happened today was pretty fun. We got up early this morning, but we were awake all night last night, like till probably about, I don't know, it was quite late and we only had a couple hours sleep, but we had to drive to Edinburgh. What happened today was we got up and not everybody was really feeling the, you know, get up early and go vibe. Roll the clip. Rise, baby! Oh, rise, baby! get these curtains open. Good morning! Did you not hear your voice? You're shooting at you all morning, going back. So yeah, we did that, and then it was time to head out. So we got up, got ready, got out, and we were heading to Edinburgh. There was just some amazing cinematics of like the new bridge. Which is going to be a 70 soon, so can you shut up? Got to Edinburgh, we got to Rise, which for you of you who don't know what Rise is, it's an indoor trampoline park just outside of Edinburgh, and it was flipping...
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
It was awesome, but the only problem is I didn't really get much videos inside Rise because you're allowed to video, but they kind of frown upon it, they kind of get annoyed, so we didn't really do it, but I got some clips, so roll them clips. Aye. Right. Go smash him, aye. He might. He is like literally in there saying that he's a chicken. What's in this? Stop in the name of it. Oh, he's running. He's doing a Lego. He's doing a Lego. He's doing a Lego. Oh mate, where are you after? Just where? Yeah. This part looks so cool. Go for it, will you? Don't jump! Oh, he's a savage, he's just... Oh. Nah, you ready? Yeah. And what did I do after that? What did I do after that? Oh yeah. We had our fun at Rise and we did a lot of stuff, but I was thinking, you know, it's not really that much material, not really that much vlog material. It was just kind of what we decided to do was bring in the prop, bring it in. We decided to buy one of these, and do you know what we did with it? Take a guess. I'm gonna let you guess. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
We went out and scared some people, and I'm not talking, this is like, it's Halloween today, so we went out and scared a bunch of people with this, so roll that frickin' clip. And so anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Tomorrow, the next video will be a lot longer. I'm going to upload twice a week. So I don't know what days will be on yet. I need to kind of settle a few things out. I'm going to be videoing Sunday, Monday because those are my 2 days off where I have like nothing to do. So what I'll do is I'll video those 2 days, I'll edit and then I'll upload when the edits are done. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Stay flippin' groovy. Subscribe to the channel. And if you're new here, let me know you're new here in the comment section.